Hi. Good morning, my dear legendary students. Hi, hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shiva, Jyoti, Amina, Pallavi, Navina, Naslim, Pralika, Joshan. Good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to start a topic that is endocrinal topic. Already we discussed yesterday the four titles. Okay, may audible, visible? Shiva?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I'm not waste your time. So today we are going to start the endocrinology topic. Endocrinology mainly. See, uh, endocrinology topic today we're discussing. Endocrine means the study of. So body is visible, ma? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Thank you. So this endocrinology, the study of endocrine glands and its hormones is called endocrinology, right? So today we are going to discussing about the topic is very important topic. So many times in semesters we'll ask this question. So many times, ma. Number of times frequently asked the question. Directly we go to the topic that is very well. That is the topic is hypothalamus and its hormones functions. Okay, what are the what is hypothalamus?
Okay.
What is uh, its hormones, secretion, and function? What are the target organs of them? Come on, tell me. Anyone can say. Anyone can say the what is hypothalamus? Where it is present hypothalamus? Come on, tell me. Any idea? Ma?
Present near the thyroid gland.
No. So the hypothalamus.
Brain, sir. Portion of the brain.
Yes. Very good. Sure. Thank you. So your lower hand, ma. Hand lower, yes, ka beta. Right. See, this is a hypothalamus and its hormones, secretion, and functions. What is hypo? Hypo means what happened? Lower side. That means bottom of the heart. So that means the brain. See, it is present in the brain. Actually, for example, so today we are going to discussing about the endocrine topic that is hypothalamus. Its hormones. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Its function. It's a hormone. This is our topic. So this topic will ask the question. Okay. So we'll ask the question. This hypothalamus. Okay. Hypothalamus. Its hormones. So what is hypothalamus? For example, this is the brain. Okay. This is the brain. You know very well. Right. This is a brain structure. And this hypothalamus, where it is present? This is the brain. Okay. Right. So it is present in the, what happened, ma? Like that in this, this is the hypothalamus. This is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Please mute yourself. Shiva. So it is present in the brain, lower portion of the brain. Lower portion of the brain, the hypothalamus is present. That is very important. Okay. So this thalamus, nothing but bearing. Thalamus, nothing but bearing. So which is present in the, actually you know very well. You know very well. So it is in the brain mainly. See, three parts are there like that. See, this is called what happened ma? Epithalamus, epiphysis, and this is called thalamus. This is called thalamus. Total three parts are there in the especially. Okay. Epithalamus, please mute yourself, ma. Epithalamus. So above the epithalamus, pineal gland is present. Above the epithalamus, pineal gland is present. So and below the, that means what ma? Thalamus. This is called thalamus. Below the thalamus, what happened ma? Hypothalamus is present. Hypothalamus is present. Right. Hypothalamus. Pralika and Deepa. Please mute yourself, ma. Please mute yourself. Pralika. So this is a hypothalamus. So hypothalamus present in the lower portion of the brain, which is present in the below of the thalamus. These hypothalamus, which is attachment like one of the stem-like structure part is present. Stem-like structure part is there. That is these hypothalamus, from the hypothalamus to connect with attachment with hypothalamus, one gland is present. The gland is called pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, that is very, very important. Okay, once I repeat, hypothalamus, which is present in the brain, that is lower portion of the brain. This hypothalamus, which is present in the below of the thalamus. Okay, above the thalamus, epithalamus is present. Epithalamus, above the epithalamus, pineal gland is present. And below thalamus, present the portion that is called hypothalamus. So the hypothalamus, the small gland is attachment with the hypothalamus directly. That is called what? Pituitary gland. This is a introduction of the what happened? Hypothalamus. Okay, right? So this is you know very well. Clear? Now let us come into the point. See, these hypothalamus and its hormones. What are the hypothalamus? Its hormones. For example, I would like to draw the, see, so see, this is a hypothalamus, and this one is, you already studied, and this one is what ma? This one is pituitary gland, and this one is, okay, this one is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. These hypothalamus, which contains huge amount of the neurosecretory cells. What ma? Neurosecretory cells. That means neurons are there. The hypothalamus, nothing but which contains neurons. These hypothalamus, which contains neurons, these hypothalamus, the neurons which are to coordinate and regulate the all throughout the body. Without hypothalamus, remembering one thing, without hypothalamus, any gland, any part in our body should not function. Invertebrates also. The hypothalamus, which is to control the complete throughout the body. Complete throughout the body, remembering one thing. See, that is very, very important. These hypothalamus to control everything, all brain parts, all human being parts like digestive system, respiratory system, okay, reproductive system, okay, and skin. Everything should be under control the hypothalamus. That's why the hypothalamus is the boss. Hypothalamus is the key point. Is a boss. Okay, that's why very, very important, this hypothalamus. Some people to say The pituitary gland is a master, of course, master gland. But the pituitary gland also, which is control under the, what happened now? See this hypothalamus. That's why, so this hypothalamus is the one of the key role. And this hypothalamus majorly to control the temperature of body temperature. This hypothalamus to control the homeostasis. What? Homeostasis also. That means to control the everything, body fluids, okay, and blood, body neutralites, electrolytes, everything should be controlled this hypothalamus, right? So this is very, very important. And this is the introduction of the hypothalamus. But some people to say, sometimes it to be said, the hypothalamus is called thermostat. Thermostat. Why it is called thermostat? That means it is control the body temperature. It is to control the body temperature. That's very important. Clear? So, may audible Shiva, Talim, Deepa, Talima?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sure. So now, what are the hypothalamic hormones are there? Okay. So what are the hormones? Hypothalamic hormones. These hypothalamic hormones, number one, see, what are the hypothalamic hormones? Number one, that is TH RH. Wow. Mute yourself, ma, please. So these hypothalamus to secretes what happened, ma? Releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. Releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. Number one, what happened, ma? Growth hormone, releasing hormone. Growth releasing hormone, simply we can call it what, ma? It is also called what, ma? GHRH. Growth releasing hormone. Okay, that is one of the important. Okay. Next what, ma? Next hormone, GnRH. Next hormone what, ma? GnRH. GnRH. That is one of the hormone. Right. Okay. Next, TRH. TRH. What happened, ma? Thyroid releasing hormone. We'll explain one by one. Thyroid releasing hormone. TRH. Next, PRH. Prolactin releasing hormone. Prolactin releasing hormone. Next hormone, CRH. Okay, CRH. So cortico releasing hormone. Okay, this is one is a very important. Okay, now next one. Okay, next one, ADH. Or it is also called vasopressin. It is also called what? Vasopressin. And next one, last one. What is that, ma? So OT means oxytocin. OT means what, ma? Oxytocin. This is important about the what happened, ma?